Basic English versus Advanced English. The boy is tall. The boy is towering. The boy is lofty. The boy is short. The boy is small. The boy is petite. The girl is thin. The girl is slim. The girl is slender. The girl is fat. The girl is overweight. The girl is obese. The man is old. The man is elderly. The man is aged. The man is young. The man is youthful. The man is juvenile. The child is small. The child is tiny. The child is little. The child is big. The child is grown up. The child is mature. The teacher is smart. The teacher is intelligent. The teacher is knowledgeable. The teacher is lazy. The teacher is careless. The teacher is negligent. The student is bright. The student is brilliant. The student is talented. The student is weak. The student is poor. The student is feeble. The baby is cute. The baby is adorable. The baby is lovable. The baby is small. The baby is tiny. The baby is a little one. The boy is naughty. The boy is mischievous. The boy is playful. The boy is polite. The boy is courteous. The boy is respectful. The girl is rude. The girl is impolite. The girl is ill-mannered. The girl is kind. The girl is generous. The girl is warm-hearted. The girl is honest. The girl is truthful. The girl is sincere. The man is dishonest. The man is deceitful. The man is fraudulent. The woman is beautiful. The woman is attractive. The woman is stunning. The woman is ugly. The woman is unattractive. The woman is hideous. The child is clever. The child is smart. The child is quick-witted. The child is foolish. The child is silly. The child is senseless. The teacher is helpful. The teacher is supportive. The teacher is encouraging. The teacher is strict. The teacher is stern. The student is hardworking. The student is diligent. The student is industrious. The student is careless. The student is inattentive. The student is reckless. The friend is good. The friend is loyal. The friend is faithful. The friend is bad. The friend is untrustworthy. The friend is harmful. The neighbor is nice. The neighbor is friendly. The neighbor is pleasant. The neighbor is rude. The neighbor is impolite. The neighbor is discourteous. The guest is welcomed. The guest is honored. The guest is warmly received. The guest is unwelcomed. The guest is unwanted. The guest is uninvited. The host is kind. The host is generous. The host is hospitable. The host is rude. The host is impolite. The host is discourteous. The driver is careful. The driver is cautious. The driver is attentive. The driver is careless. The driver is reckless. The driver is negligent. The player is strong. The player is muscular. The player is powerful. The player is weak. The player is fragile. The player is feeble. The singer is good. The singer is talented. The singer is melodious. The singer is bad. The singer is untalented. The singer is unskilled. The actor is famous. The actor is renowned. The actor is well known. The actor is unknown. The actor is obscure. The actor is unfamiliar. The artist is great. The artist is outstanding. The artist is exceptional. The artist is poor. The artist is unskilled. The artist is mediocre. The writer is good. The writer is talented. The writer is brilliant. The writer is bad. The writer is weak. The writer is incompetent. The book is good. The book is excellent. The book is fascinating. The book is bad. The book is boring. The book is poorly written. Like this video, comment, subscribe to the MS English for more powerful English lessons. We have two Facebook pages. One is the MS English. It has 13K followers. Another Facebook page is English Skill Improvement. It has 266K followers. So follow our Facebook pages and start your English learning. We have a YouTube channel. The name of the channel is the MS English. It has 166K subscribers. Subscribe to our channel. Like, watch the videos. We have an ebook store. The name of the ebook store is Bookish. Search on Google payhip.com/bookish. There is a book. The name of the book is 21 Days English Vocabulary Course. You can purchase this ebook. Right now, you will get 50% off if you purchase this ebook. The original price of the book is $4. If you use coupon code BOOKYSH bookish, right now you will get 50% off. The price will be $2. So you can purchase this book. There is another ebook. The name of the ebook is 10 Best Ways to Earn Money Online. You can purchase this book. This book is also very beneficial, very helpful for those persons who really wants to earn money online. Thanks for watching this video.